Hi, my name is Kira McGinn, and this is my e-portfolio for ESL Tech 2011. The first page is the homepage showing my most recent post. The next page you come to is a short introduction about myself. I'm from Dublin, Ireland, but moved to Ohio in August to study and join the swim and dive team. I think I want to major in dietetics, but I'm still undecided at the moment. After college, I'd love to travel and go backpacking, especially around South America and Australia, and maybe do some volunteer work. The next page is about the different learning technology tools I discovered during this course. My favourite was definitely Trello, which I use on my laptop. It is a calendar program and super easy to update when you're working on different assignments at once. OneNote is a note-taking app that I use with the iPad. Although I'm pretty slow with the Apple Pencil, it still makes annotating lectures very easy. Study Scheduler is super helpful as it's a phone app to schedule different events without studying or an exam. It sends you a notification before you're meant to start. I learned a lot from this course. Before I started, I was quite disorganized and not very confident using technology, especially the iPad. My time management has improved dramatically. I've started to procrastinate less through the week, which has meant I have more free time at the weekends. The main thing that has helped me is finding different study spots rather than my dorm, so I'm more productive. We learnt about SMART goals in the first few weeks of the course. They're slightly confusing to start with, but super helpful, especially written at the start of semesters and again after midterms. Learning styles was the most interesting thing we learned, and it changed my outlook and approach to studying, especially coming to finals next week. I learned that everyone learns through many different mediums and you can't just stick to one. The TED Talk I watched really helped open my eyes to this. Thank you for watching and looking at my ESL 2011 e-portfolio.